Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of having a fleet management system in place for your business. If you're in the transportation or logistics industry, having an efficient and effective fleet management system is crucial for success. Think about it, your fleet is the backbone of your business. It's what allows you to transport goods and people and keep your customers satisfied. But managing a fleet can be a complex and time-consuming task, especially as your business grows. That's why having a fleet management system is so important. A good fleet management system can help you improve safety. By tracking your vehicles and monitoring their performance, you can identify potential safety issues before they become a problem. This helps keep your drivers and the public safe, and can reduce the risk of accidents and costly repairs. Increase efficiency by optimizing routes, reducing fuel consumption, and minimizing downtime. A fleet management system can help you increase efficiency and reduce costs. This can help you stay competitive and improve your bottom line. Enhance customer satisfaction by providing real-time information about the location and status of your vehicles. You can keep your customers informed and up to date. This can help you build trust and improve customer satisfaction, which is essential for building a loyal customer base. Streamline operations by automating many of the tasks associated with fleet management, such as scheduling, dispatch, and maintenance. You can save time and reduce errors. This makes it easier to manage your fleet and ensures that everything runs smoothly. There are many different fleet management systems available, so it's important to find one that meets the specific needs of your business. Some systems are designed for small fleets, while others are meant for larger, more complex operations. It's important to consider factors such as cost, features, and compatibility when making your decision. In conclusion, having a fleet management system in place is essential for businesses in the transportation and logistics industry. It can help you improve safety, increase efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, and streamline operations. So, if you haven't already, now is the time to invest in a fleet management system that can help you take your business to the next level.